Hey everybody, Sham here, and today we'll be unboxing my new S22 Ultra. It just arrived in the mail from DHL e-commerce. So let's just get right through it. Ooh, so special. Oh, here we go. Just a side note, unlike Flossie Carter, I have no knives. I have no rah. And sadly no white shoes. Just me and my box. Yeah. Okay, maybe a yeah. Nothing inside here. So I'm not gonna infringe on anyone's saying, so we're just gonna put it to the side. That's all. Alright, here we go. Oh, right this way then. Alright. Look at the box, by the way. You have your washing machine, your tablet, your watch, everything is on there. Washing machine. Okay, I could fit inside that. Ooh, look at this. Samsung. You can see it. Samsung. And we have a thank you. Always here to help. I ordered mine through Samsung Malaysia online store. I'm from Malaysia, and yes, it was delivered by DHL e-commerce portal. So there you go. This is the device. Ooh. Comes with a microfiber cloth, and my details on the other side, so yeah, definitely not going to show that. So take the box away. Everything is packed together. Okay, we'll do one by one. All right. Let's start with the lucky box. White strap. What's in here, Mr. Lucky Box? I can see some people raging in front of their camera. That's not the right way to open it. You know what? You're right. But we're down the rabbit hole, so. Okay, I'm just gonna place it on here. Mickey Mouse with all his expression eyes. Oh, this is one of these things, right? Same thing? No? Yes? Yes. Okay. Speaking of which, next thing we're gonna unbox is this silicone cover with strap. Alright. What is this? Oh, the correct way to put it in. Okay. And it even, oh, you can't see it, I'm sorry. The correct way to put it in. It even has this thing here. What is this? Oh, okay. Interaction with the S Pen, so it doesn't block it. Wow. Oh, it's white in color. I never knew that. Wow. You know, guys, it's quite sturdy and nice. I mean, wow. I don't know. I mean, let me get the smell test. That's nice. Honestly speaking, if this had a stand, because I already bought my cover, so yeah, weeks before the phone arrived, my phone case. This is nice. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, but I mean, this is definitely a backup case for me. In this case, this is a backup case. I'll show myself out. Okay, what's next? Mickey Mouse. The main event. Specially for you. Is it? Specially for you. So let's unbox that. So before we go there, what is especially for you? Let me check it out. Oh, this is the free gift. So along with the what do you call that, case, and along with this case and little Mickey Mouse strap. Oh, my phone got too excited. Now just relax and stay along. So along with the case here and the Mickey Mouse strap, you also get the 800 ringgit voucher. So if you convert it to USD, it's I think 4.2. So yeah, just a little less than 200 bucks. We get a voucher that you can buy online, and plus enjoy, if I'm not mistaken, this is purchase within purchase, up to 30% off. So you'll scratch that. I'll scratch that later. Right now, what is scratching my itch is to open the box. Would you look at that? As usual, it doesn't come with a charger, but I mean, that's a silly thing to gripe about at the present moment. So I'm just going to open up the seals. Okay, seals are open. Time to jiggle the box. Here we go. Oh, this is sexy. Let's do it the proper way. Instead of tipping the box to get the phone out, we use the little flap here. Look at that. Oh, I need to be in the frame. There we go. Ah, man, you can't see the green color properly here, like this. Let's slowly remove it. Remove the sticker with me. Oh, wow. Look at this. Soak up the green color here. Oh, I love the green. I was in two minds whether to get the burgundy or the green. I made the right choice. And by the way, the green I'm seeing with my own eyes and the green that you're seeing on the screen, I just noticed is a bit different. So you can't really see the green pop out through the camera. I'm filming this on a Note 10. So, hey, after this, I'll be filming things with this. So, massive upgrade. Hey, that's me. Hello. And that's the phone. All right. So, let's remove this. Here we go. Okay, so I'm not sure whether they still do this, but usually Samsung pre-installs a screen protector. So I'm not sure whether they still do that. I'll check on it later. I can't see it There's no groove or anything. But hey, so that's the phone. Before we'll just turn it on. And we'll leave it here. Serial numbers and stuff. Let's see what it comes with. I mean, we all know what it comes with. I mean, it's the standard, like as Flossy Carter says, books and shit. Oh, welcome, willkommen. We will deal with that later. So, just the box, standard USB cable, and some documents. That's it. What is this? Oh, Samsung Pay. Never mind. So, yeah. So we will just put them aside. And before I end this unboxing, I mean, this whole video was just to unbox the Note and all the free gifts with it, but just look at the camera. Oh, look at this periscope camera, wide angle, and the main camera, and then the others. Wow. And of course you have Z Pen. Z Pen is the attraction. I really wish that they made the pen, oh sorry, out of focus, same color as the back, like how they did on the previous Note phones. But I mean, look at that, with the button and all. Yep, there we go. Oops, sorry. Yep, there we go. Focus, man, focus. I can't see the buttons. Okay. So I'm not sure again. Screen protector. We'll see how the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So there's one thing I would like to check before we end the video. So we'll just go through all of this. Yep, I'll go through all of this and be right back. Okay, we're back. I needed to double check whether the phones in Malaysia came with Exynos or Snapdragon, and I am happy to announce that it comes with Qualcomm Adreno. Heyo, pew 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 pew. Even the governor, Walt. No, I'm just joking. But anyway, yes, it comes with, I'm using CPU Z here. So, yep, it does come with, what do you call that? Adreno. So, that's good. Anyway, thank you for watching my unboxing video. I will install all my details and everything inside there, and then we'll proceed probably later on to do a review once I get used to the phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.